sled over here. All right, what's up, Backcountry Edits? This is our first video with the Polaris Patriot 850. Today we're gonna be adding the GGB trail can, and we're gonna be adding a safety lanyard right here. And then we got our trail can back here. This is Jack's brand new Patriot 850 that he got a couple weeks ago. And
because I can't get it.
We're taking out the springs right now with a spring puller to get out the pipe. And I already took out like some exhaust.
Something there.
Yeah. Yeah, we're taking these springs out. They hold the pipe together.
Something somewhere else.
we're filming anyways.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh my god, it's so heavy.
It's smoking from when you drove it in here. Out with the old.
It is so heavy.
Out with the old and in with the new.
So it's the new.
Do a size comparison. Hold it next to the other one.
Like this,
Hold it
dummy.
yeah, the other way. There you go. Yep. There's the inside.
You want to feel the weight comparison?
You can film me putting in the exhaust.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna put in the exhaust thing.
There's Alex. Say hi.
And say put in the exhaust
Thing.
thing.
Isn't that like temperature?
Yeah. I think so.
Take the old dinosaur out. That's all it's gonna go in.
Look at how much space there is in the. And now you could actually like see things.
Yeah.
It's a lot easier. Yeah.
Might leave the hood on.
No?
Where's the key at?
And now we're putting in the lanyard.
Ooh. Huh? Going.
We're inserting the front hood here.
Demonetized? We already are.
You're not even halfway in, bro. Now you're
Yes, wait, we are. Still.
supposed to put that piece on the line. Okay, you're in.
No, we aren't. Take it off.
Yeah, definitely. Well, that looks a lot better.
Done.
Side panels on.
Those things aren't in. There we go.
It's gonna be fun to take off. the wrong way. Hey, you're not in yet.
Still look ugly?
Not anymore on this side.
It's a beast. I still think you should have put a mountain can on it, but
Where are your scratchers?
they're right there.
Oh,
Oh,
scratchers?
Yeah. Suggestion.
Not yet. Or yeah, I did, but they might be getting here today. They might actually be here, and Mom just doesn't know what's in each box.
you sound check the new trail can.
Not happy. Hey, Alex, open up my garage.
Jack, you should rip it down there.